Good morning, guys. It's Rob from Trail Rake Mods. I'm just doing a quick upgrade from, I guess, bulbs. In my case, I had some LEDs installed from Lasfit. These are great bulbs, bright, great for turn signals and third brake lights in some vehicles, like my Cherokee. They work great, no CAN bus to be worried about in that thing. But unfortunately, in this vehicle, these cause an error. The bulb is out. The bulb is a CAN bus compliant bulb, but these are hit and miss, I guess, with all brands. I've seen other videos. This is basically the answer to your problem if you want brighter lights, less draw, I guess. But in any case, these are from a company on Amazon called Auto Lighting or Light. I can't remember. Well made so far looking. Time will tell. Sealed up with a rubber silicone similar to computer systems in vehicles. If you don't know, if you've ever taken one of those apart, has a resistor, so that should prevent the bulb out error, and looks quite well made. It is plastic, but it has a little cushioning here so it won't rub your paint, and it just clicks in. That being said, I did install it. I'm going to be using these in my other vehicle because here I'm just going to sit watching the dash with the error. And if you don't know, that same error position of your dash also is your four-wheel drive indicator. So if you're switching to four-wheel drive and you're watching your light tell you it's an error, you're sitting waiting for it to flip back and forth, which is annoying. So here we go. Sorry, it's a little snowy today. I'm going to hit the handle here, and basically there you go. That is the Auto Light LED, and that's the Lasfit one. It's good enough, but you know what? I can use these bulbs, and it's annoying seeing that on the dash. Maybe I'm OCD, but in any case, it's just a quick review video. It seems to be very bright. Hopefully you guys like this video. If you'd like to see more content, please give me a comment, and doing small upgrades on this vehicle over time. Thank you, and have a great day.